Hi guys, this is John here. As part of this section, we will look at another cost element that you will bear as an entrepreneur, and that is the website cost. So now that you've gone through most of the questions with respect to your product, with respect to your service, and now you want people to know about your product and service. So for that, you will have to develop a website. Now, you might be asking, John, what do you mean by a website? Well, as we've been looking at all these examples, for example, Enabler, we've taken a look at Eduvance, we've taken a look at Drona Aviation, and all of these pages that we are seeing are called web pages, and together they form what we call as a website, which in this case would be dronaaviation.com. In the case of Eduvance, it is eduvance.in. In the case of Enabler, it is enabler.co. So these are called websites, and you need to develop a website so that people can know about your products in terms of what you have to offer. Until they can't see your products or services, how do they decide whether they can buy or not? So when you have developed all your products and services, you will have to develop a website. So you might ask me, John, how do we do that? Well, one option, and the most common option, is you go to a company that specializes in developing websites. And you ask them, can you build me a website? They will say, yes, sure, but it's going to cost you money. So then your next question is, how much? Their next answer is, well, that depends on the type of business. So then they will ask you, is it product? Is it service? Are you planning to sell the product online? And there are many other such questions that they will ask you. And then they will tell you, okay, this is what it's going to cost you to build the website. So there is a cost to building which you will incur, and we will call that the website cost for your company. And this will be informed to you by the web development company. Now you might be wondering, for my company which I'm trying to build on Entrepedia, how do I come up with the cost? Well, one good place to do is Google it. Or another thing is you might want to speak to a web development company and ask them that this is the product idea you have. How much is it going to cost me? This will be an interesting experience for you as an entrepreneur, because for you, it's very important to go out there and find out for yourself. Okay? So I hope the reason is clear as to why there is a cost for developing a website and why is it important to have a website in the first place. These are two very important points you need to understand in this section. So go ahead and fill in your values in the Entrepedia platform. I hope this section was clear for you guys. I will see you guys in the next section. Thank you.